get there.
Good. Thank you. I'll tap.
See my card out?
I hit the ground first. Push it right. Check.
Get in the hole.
Sit.
Keep it straight. That's about bogey too.
Yeah. Ooh, sit.
That's probably
Take left. All right, wasn't recording that shot. That's all right though. I went just long of the green.
tuck under that.
Nope, it's fine. Go Will.
You
Break.
Oh my god. Bogey. That sucks, man.
I know, that's a great
thought it
putt.
was up.
That's right where I wanted it.
I got you. Hey. Right there with me.
Sit. Sit. Go. Stay straight.
That's good.
Why do I keep spinning everything? Stop. Go.
Get in there.
Go.
Nice. Putt.
Oh, I towed it. Sit, maybe.
Maybe right in that bunker.
Sit.
Sit.
Spin. Right over the back. Go.
Get in the hole.
Double bogey last hole.